ever fall asleep? Huh? Isn't it so boring? Oh my gosh, it was such a bad story. It was so boring. I didn't like my story. Huh? That wasn't a good story. I'm sorry. It wasn't very exciting. Open your eyes for me. Open your eyes. Open your eyes for me. Prince. His name is Prince.
Seriously? I came to see you. Why are you sleeping?
Huh? Yeah, open your eyes. Open your eyes for me. Hey. Hey.
What you doing, sleepyhead?
Come on. Get up. Get up. Open. Let me see your pretty eyes.
Sleepyhead.
You can't even keep them
Oh
open.
my goodness. You're so tired. It was rough sleeping all night. Did you have a rough night? Huh? What happened? Huh?
Maxie.
Is she gonna smile? Hmm? Where's
Night, night,
Danny's
Max.
Prince?